Here, the modern Kempinski Hotel in Baltic Mountains with the swimming pool, administrative building it was built down by 1810 summer palace of Ottoman monarchy. Now, the sailing high school for sailors to your left. You can see the sail masts with flags, and there are three similar buildings. The one in the middle is now under restoration after a big fire a couple of years ago. But the other two buildings, you can see them, two of them are belonging to University Galatasaray Foundation University High School, College. And the other one, the last one, is another high school, Kabataş. But they were originally dormitories belonging to Kempinski or Chiran Palace, dormitories of staff. There will be now a nice picture here in front of you when you come out. We'll see 11 o'clock direction. That historical building used to be a police station with 4 columns on either side, and a hotel complex, Radisson, and the first bridge of Bosphorus 1973 with the historical mosque in foreground, and at the background is the bridge itself, with 2 elegant minarets, mid of 19th century. It's a royal mosque, as you can see from number of minarets built by the mosque. And the bridge is 1973, 1,074 meters suspension and 64 meters high above sea level. You will be able to see the second one at the narrowest point of the Bosphorus, and then we will cruise along the Asian coast